If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Cherokee Latitude Plus in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 44,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, remote start system, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 901278.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.